What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue if you're not receiving text messages, such as iMessages on your iPhone. First, let's start with the basics by toggling iMessage off and on. Open the Settings app and scroll down until you find Messages. Tap on it and you'll see the iMessage toggle. Switch it off, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. This can sometimes refresh your connection and solve minor issues with iMessage activation or connectivity. After you toggle iMessage, it will take a few moments to reactivate. Once it's reactivated, if you're still facing issues, check under Send and Receive. Here, you can see which phone numbers or email addresses are enabled for sending and receiving iMessages. If your phone number isn't working for iMessage, you can select an email address as your sending and receiving address instead. If the details here aren't correct, such as a missing email address or an incorrect phone number, you can update this information easily. Go back to the main settings menu. Tap on your name at the top and then go to Sign In and Security. Here, you can add or edit your collectible details under email and phone numbers. This ensures that all your possible iMessage paths are correct. Additionally, you can try resetting your network configuration on your device. This will bring back any changes and tweaks you made to your network settings to the default values on your iPhone, thus fixing any network-related error in not receiving text messages. To do this, open up your Settings app. Go to General and then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap on Reset and then Reset all network settings. Go through the prompts to reset your network settings. If these adjustments don't resolve the issue, a more robust solution may be necessary, such as a device restart. To do this, quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until you see the Slide to Power Off screen. Drag the slider to the right to power off your device. Afterwards, simply press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo flashes. This process can help re-establish network connections that are vital for text message functionality. Lastly, check for any available software updates which might fix the issue. Go back to Settings, tap on General, and then Software Update. Updating your iPhone to the latest iOS version can often resolve underlying bugs affecting services like iMessage. If you've tried all these steps and you still aren't receiving any text messages, your iPhone might have a deeper software or hardware issue. In this case, the best course of action is to visit an Apple store or an authorized service provider and let them run diagnostics to pinpoint the problem. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.